Your favorite realtor, JLoSells here, and I am doing an open house in Gold Canyon. Just enjoying the granite, playing the little cards. Wait, cards, it's cards. Actually, from New England. So actually I found an ace. Yes, an ace. Okay, let's get serious here. So we are at 18381 East Donato Drive in Gold Canyon. And this place is absolutely beautiful. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath, and we're going to take a walk around. Oh, did I let you know? Oh, I didn't. Plenty of parking.